How to work with encapsulation. Encapsulation means hiding data or giving specific access to data as it is needed. So, in case you have sensitive data that you don't want to be globally available in your code, you can restrict access to it by using encapsulation. Let's see how object encapsulation works. Now, suppose I have this class over here, and the name of the class is person, and within this class, I define a method in it. This is for instantiating my class. So I give the attributes name and age, and write self.name is equal to name and self.age is equal to age. Now I'll make an object for this class. P is equal to person, and I give the name and age. And now I'm going to print p.name now I print p.age, and now you'll get the output as Jaya and 45. But now this is a normal code without any encapsulation. But suppose I don't want the age to be available to everyone. So that time I just write underscore underscore. So when I write self dot underscore underscore age, it will tell me now when I print the same thing, it will say that it has no attribute age. That's because the age is restricted. Now if I do underscore underscore age, it will tell again you can't you can't print this because the attribute of person is just age. We have just restricted it with the underscore underscore. That is not the name of the attribute. There are ways in which you can access this. So you have methods, you have properties, etc. from how you can access these hidden attributes. So I'll create a method now over here, p.printage, that will access the hidden attribute and print it. So I write def printage self, and then I'll print self dot age, and now it will be printed Jaya and 45. So now I've even another thing is you can hide methods. So for that you just write underscore underscore before when it is defined, and then the name. And you can see now that you print it, it will not show. It will say it does not have the attribute. But now I create another method tr, and I will give the I will call the print age function in that. And that time it works. So this is how we use encapsulation in Python.